The Pro Regulation Volleyball Net VB1000 is an official tournament-sized net, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, whether in a professional court, schoolyard, backyard, or beach setting. Constructed from polyethylene, double-layered canvas, and equipped with a 4mm 46 feet long professional steel cable at the top and bottom, this net ensures durability, strength, and stability. The net, with its unique 1680D border, waterproof carbon black coating, and sturdy multi-pass sewing, is 4 times stronger than regular 840D nets and is resistant to corrosion, making it suitable for all weather conditions. The volleyball net is easy to install and comes with a carrying bag, making it portable and convenient for on-the-go games. BeachSun Sports, the manufacturer of this net, guarantees 100% customer satisfaction, promising a full refund and expedited replacement in case of any issues. With a review score of 4.3 and a reasonable price of $49.99, this product is a great investment for those who enjoy volleyball and want a durable, professional-grade net.